Well, I see the house on the corner finally sold. I wonder who our new neighbors are going to be.
I heard it's going to be a group home for people with disabilities.
Really? Why weren't we notified? We have a right to know who'll be living there. And doesn't the HOA rules only allow single-family homes and no businesses?
Under fair housing laws, group homes for residents with disabilities are considered single-family residences and not commercial facilities. As with any other family moving into the community, there is no requirement for the group home or its residents to provide notification or share medical information. A group home is someone's residence. People with disabilities living in group homes have a right protected under federal and Fairfax County laws to live anywhere they choose. Housing discrimination is unfair and against the law. If you suspect housing discrimination or need additional information, contact the Office of Human Rights and Equity Programs, Human Rights Division at 703-324-2953, TTY 711.